Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be showing you how I made some dried flowers. So the first thing I did was went out and picked some flowers. It was actually really fun and enjoyable. I really actually liked it. And the next thing I did was I just took some hot water and basically washed them, get rid of any of the bugs or anything else that could be inside of them. Sorry little buggies, I apologize, but it's time to be evicted from your home. Sorry. So these are all the flowers that I got, and I got a good amount of flowers, and they're actually really pretty. Like it was so much fun to do this. I've never done this, and it was just a lot of fun. So these are all the flowers I got. Here's another picture of them. I don't know. I just taking pictures of flowers were so much fun. All right, and here are them in the oven. They're all so cute. I was really nervous about this process, and oh boy, man, did I make the house smell like floral arrangements, which is fun because yeah, my mom's allergic to flowers. So I did this when she wasn't there, so I wasn't, that horrible of a person. So I did this while she wasn't home just to eliminate hopefully her having, allergies. But honestly, I loved how they turned out and they're so pretty. Like look how cute they are. The dried roses are my favorite, but I just really enjoy the other flowers too. And then here's kind of like a before and after. Now, I am sorry, I'm not sure what some of these flowers are called, honestly. But I did enjoy taking the before and after pictures. I thought that was kind of cool. So I don't know. Just let me know which one was your favorite. I really like these. Oh, and these yellow and orange ones have a really strong smell. Like, whew, man, it was overpowering. I forgot what they're called though. I really forget what they're called. I used to remember, but sadly I do not. But that is pretty much it for the video. So I just picked some flowers, popped them in the oven at a low temperature, like 200, and then waited for a little while till they seemed dry enough. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!